What's up, everybody? The H2 Early Birds break 31, 34. We're full dice roll. We're going 10 times. Hard 10 teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 5 and 5 is 10. We went 10 right here. Saints up top. Broncos at the bottom. Clear these names out. Ten times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again, these are the early birds. H2, 10 there, 10 here. Dave, Feeney Man up top, Omar at the bottom. Again, guys, I'm going to push out some notifications here, let you guys know your break's about ready to run. And we'll be off and ripping for the night. Good luck, guys. Good luck. You should get that notification. Give me a second to jump in here. All right, guys, good luck. Gave you a few seconds to jump in while I was catching up on a few things. H2 early bird, break 31, 34. All three early birds, guys, I believe, are full now. Playbook had just 2 left when I started this break. Roger McCreary, Josh Allen, silver of Captain Kirk. We got red of Stefon Diggs. Going to Buffalo and Neil Mallett. 25 out of 49 on Stefon. David Njoku and Pete Warner. Again, guys, take your spots on the site. A lot of spots and breaks are close. The GOAT. Evan Neal on the rook. Derek Carr on the silver. Blue of Malcolm Rodriguez. Rodriguez, 5 out of 25 for the Detroit Lions. And Josh Stant. Marlon Humphrey and Mac Jones. This is some gold. Red coming. Tyler Lockett, Seahawks. Kyler Murray, Cardinals. David Hall for the Brownies. And we got rookie red of Kenyon Green for Houston. Houston going to Ibby. Orlando Brown and Luke Fortner. Again, guys, last pack. these early birds. Pretty quick breaks. Cade Otton on the rook. Dak Prescott. Devin Lloyd. Tyler Linderbaum. Tyreek Hill, and Joey B. Not the best box of H2. I can't even begin to tell a fib. Kenyon Green, red. Malcolm Rodriguez, blue. And Stephon Diggs, 3-color out of the 4-pack. Again, guys, that's the break. Thanks for the fill. That was the Select H2 Early Bird. Again, take your spots on the site. I'll be right back. I just